Okay, boys and girls, today you should have a ruler at your seat as well as 3 colors. I am choosing to use highlighters because that's what I had available, but you would have 3 different color crayons. And we're going to be working on length, and we're going to be using the inch ruler to model our length. So the first thing we need to do is create a map key or legend in order to identify what each of the 3 colors is going to mean on our ruler. I'm going to start with yellow. And I'm going to put a little dot of yellow on my map key, and I'm going to label it as 1/2. Okay? Then I'm going to take my yellow and I'm going to label each part of the ruler for every half. So I'm going to start here, there's 1/2, and then the whole is also another half, so 2 halves make a whole, so next half, next whole, next half, next whole. Okay, so now all of my halves are labeled. So if we were to measure and it would ask us for something to the nearest 1/2 inch, these are all the 1/2 inches I could use as what's closest to. Then I'm going to take my pink and I'm going to do, my pink is going to be every 1/4. Now just like when we did this with fractions, we will see a little bit of overlap. So here's my first 1/4. There's 2/4, 3/4, 4/4. 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4. 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4. 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4. 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4, and then 1/4. And as you can see, our halves and our fourths overlap because we know that 2/4 equals 1/2, just like we know that 4/4 equals 1 whole. Okay. Our last color will be the last part we're going to do, and that's going to be 1/8. Okay, and every 1/8 is going to be every 2 pieces. So 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, 5/8, 6/8, 7/8, 8/8. So you should see 1/8, and then we overlap 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, which equals 1/2, so we should have 3 colors on the half line. 5/8, 6/8, 7/8, 8/8. And I'll zoom in just so you can see very quickly what the first inch would look like. Okay, now we're going to do it again. 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, 5/8, 6/8, 7/8, 8/8. And we'll just keep going. 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, 5/8, 6/8, 7/8, 8/8. 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, 5/8, 6/8, 7/8, 8/8. 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, 5/8, 6/8, 7/8, 8/8. 1/8, 2/8, and that's where we'll stop. So as I zoom out, Your ruler should look just like this, with 1/2, 1/4, and 1/8 all labeled.